Awesome!
This is a fire truck. It can put out fires even in tall buildings.
Look at this mess! Let's put a vehicle together.
Cabin. Door. Water tank. Water tank. Cabin. Rotating mechanism. Wheels with wings. Ladder. Cabin. Toolbox. Rotating mechanism. Door. Seats. Door. Door. Ladder. Water tank. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Water tank. Ladder.
Yes! You got it!
Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel.
Yes! You got it!
Let's go! Yes! A prop. Yes! A prize. You did it!